everyone, welcome back. Sorry it's
Hello.
been so long. We've got a lot of stuff going on. But what are we going to work on today, Dad?
Well, we're still trying to get somebody to do the body work for us, and we're not doing real well. I contacted two people this last week. I'm waiting. One of them really wasn't interested in doing it. It was a little too much work for him. But he said he could find somebody and he would get back with me, so I'm waiting on that. Another guy from Statesboro is going to review our videos to get some idea, and then he's gonna hopefully give us a call and might be interested. So in the meantime, we're kind of stuck. We want to keep doing videos, but we've been really at a loss because neither one of us have a whole lot of expertise in body work. So we're going to try doing as much as we can, and until we find somebody to do the body work in general, we're just going to pick away at it and try it ourselves. So we're going to keep on going here, and we're going to start today. We're going to sandblast the floor in here and get it ready for some primer or maybe paint, or I'm not sure what Bobby has in mind. I think you were talking about maybe a bed liner or something like that, right?
Yep.
So let's see if we got enough sand to get this done.
Stay tuned.
She says she wants you to drive. Okay, what do you think now? Are you ready to rock? Oh, where's your seat?
Missing some parts here, Dad.
Missing some parts. Okay. Do you remember the shifting?
No!
Okay, let's see how you're gonna do it now. Oh no!
Kind of nice with these open windows.
It'd be nice if you could get this out and get this out in one piece.
Okay.
Try putting this rocker panel on. That's going to be one of our next projects here. As you can see, this thing is full of holes. It's rotted out. Of course, it's rotted out in front of it too, so we have to see if we can find this piece, or well, maybe we'll have to make it, or maybe buy another one of these rocker panels and cut that piece out of it. We bought the rocker panel online for about $100, and Bobby sandblasted along this spot weld line on the bottom, which is going to be here. So this is going to go like so. I guess it's like that, huh? Yeah. So we're going to have to get this in here. It goes right into here. So Bobby sandblasted this, so I'm going to cut this piece out and put this one in and weld it, and we're going to see how we do. All right, we've been started up here, and we're trying to find the spot welds, and they're not very uniform, so we're having trouble finding them, but I think there's one right here. So we're going to use a little prick punch to punch it, to kind of mark the center of what I think is a the spot weld. And then we're using this special drill. And it's got a spring-loaded end on it. And we put the end of it in the little punch mark here. And it's got a carbide tip on it that's going to cut a round hole around the spot weld, leaving the spot weld hooked to the back piece, but so we can get this piece off. So we're going to try that now. See if we got close to the weld. I think that's in there. Now we're going to see if it'll come off.
Coming out.
Yeah, a lot of trash too. Look what we found in there. Somebody's window screen.